So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove the green outlines from your videos or images. And now let's say for example I have this, let me quickly get it now, this a simple display capture, and I want to affect the green screen effect over it. So just simply select that particular window, whatever you want to apply the effect for, then hit on this option of and then right click over there and hit on this option of filters. Now under there you'll notice that you might have applied simple chroma key. Now select the green color, and not just that, just simply adjust the similarity until you meet the criteria, until you notice that all the green background have removed. You can adjust it accordingly, and if the by default values work for you, that's pretty great. But you can adjust all of these, you can tweak all of these settings until you have a desired output, and then you're good to go. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.